Here I have Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus, and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the list of all applications, choose Settings, then scroll down and now select About Phone. Here you need to choose Software Information, and as you can see here you've got the build number. Let's tap a couple of times on build number and developer mode has been turned on, so you can go back 2 times, and here under About Phone you've got developer options. Let's tap it, and as you can see here you can use a couple of useful developer features. So you can, for example, enable OEM unlocking. Let me go back right here. You can also use the picture color mode right here if you would like to. You can enable USB debugging, disable or enable auto update system, and a couple of other useful developer features. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.